Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a BMW 4 Series automatic. First, let's get you started. To begin, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, locate the Start/Stop button, usually found near the steering wheel or on the center console. Press this button once to ignite the engine. You'll hear the engine come to life, indicating it's ready for operation. Always confirm the vehicle is in park before starting. Now, let's understand the automatic gear selector. The P stands for park, which locks the transmission and should always be engaged when stationary. R is for reverse, used when backing up. N is neutral, disengaging the transmission. Finally, D is drive for all forward motion. Simply move the selector to your desired position, ensuring your foot remains on the brake. Achieving a smooth drive in your BMW 4 Series is straightforward. When accelerating, apply gentle, consistent pressure to the pedal. For braking, anticipate your stops and gradually ease onto the brake pedal, rather than pressing it abruptly. This ensures a comfortable experience for everyone in the vehicle. Remember to maintain a safe distance of at least 3 seconds from the car in front. Your BMW 4 Series offers various driving modes to suit your preferences. Sport mode provides a more dynamic feel with quicker acceleration and firmer steering. Comfort mode offers a balanced and relaxed driving experience, ideal for daily commutes. For maximum fuel efficiency, select Eco Pro mode, which optimizes engine and climate control settings. You can also use the manual shift mode for more control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.